Honorable Speaker.
अरे बाबा पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डरच्या पयलीं म्हाका एक्शन I may permitted to correct the reply to transfer the unstarred LAQ number 125 tabled by Sri Venzi Vegas regarding the vigilance complaint to be answered 21st July 2025. In the reply to the sub-question C, while the annexure number 6 in the statement is given in the tabular form, respect the complaint issued at the ACP Vigilance Director of the Vigilance from the 1/1/21 till 7/7/25 at item number 5, serial number 1 regarding the complaint dated 15/9/2020. Sri Gurunath Naik Panjim, in the column status by inadvertence, it is typed as the registered ACP PC FIR number 3/2024 dated 13/7/2024. It may be corrected as the matter is forwarded to the Director of Vigilance to verify whether there is an administrative lapse.
जर हम काली उलयले उबरा लागून काली रातीको 12 जात्रीच बाणाल्यान एक उबर बुक केली आणि मोपा एअरपोर्ट टू ते दाबोलीसून हे उबराचे येयले आमगेले टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर मागीर ते टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हरान उबरा ड्रायव्हरा कोलवा पुलीस स्टेशना हाडलो रिपोर्ट ड्राफ्ट केलो तेणे खूद सांगिल्लें हांव गेलो थिंगा 12:30 आणि हांव 12:30 वचून ते उबरा ड्रायव्हराक हांव उलयलो नाव वॉट दे आर डुईंग इज दे गो ऑन द प्ले स्टोराचेर वयताय आनी उबर एप्लिकेशन डाउनलोड करून रेजिस्टर कोताय आणि इलिगली आता ते ऑपरेट कोताय
कित्याक हांव इन्क्वायरी करपाक लायता
ना इन्क्वायरी म्हणजे तुवें काल सांगलेलें तुवें काल सांगिल्लो आसतो ना तेंगे कापसतात चोय ते भिनाय
स्पीकर सर
फ्लोराचे आम उलयले एक्शन घेतले ते भिनाय
स्पीकर सर को अजूनही आम्ही कोणाकूच परमिशन दिवू ना तरी जर
तुवें आज ताबडतोब ईमेल धाडपा जायो उबराक आणि एक नोटिफिकेशन ऑर्डर काडपा जाय की नो
I'll verify
yes,
first.
Okay.
No, police station verify.
Can get more at the airport.
Can get up.
May be permitted to ask question number 1. 1A.
Answer as per computation.
Speaker sir, हो क्वेश्चन खूप महत्वाचो आसा स्पीकर सर आणि महत्वाच्या या कारणान हांव फक्त 2 गोष्टी सांगूंक सोदता पयली बिफोर आन्सरिंग द क्वेश्चन कित्याक लोकांक कळपाक जाय आमचें स्पीकर सर एक जेटी आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन बांदपाचें परमिशन GCDMA जाता थंय पंचायत GCDMA बरयता 12/2/2024 की तुमी जर इन्स्पेक्शन करता जाल्यार आमकां सांगा आणि थंय इन्स्पेक्शन जाता 27/3/24 आणि पंचायतीक जेन्ना कळयता की आमकां सांगा तेन्ना कळयना आणि परमिशन तरी पंचायतीक लेटर बरयता की हे आम्ही परमिशन दिला ह्यो कसलो कायदो स्पीकर सर म्हणजे जेन्ना पंचायत सांगता की आमकां कळे इन्स्पेक्शन करता आमी यू वॉन्ट टू बी पार्ट ऑफ युअर इन्स्पेक्शन यू आर नॉट इवन बॉदर टू रिप्लाय टू दॅट लेटर अँड वन्स यू गिव परमिशन टू देम यू आर पुटिंग अ कॉपी मार्क टू देम दॅट अ परमिशन इज ग्रांटेड म्हाका प्रश्न पयली ऑनरेबल एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टराक विचारपाक जाय की GCDMA जो आसा हो इन्स्पेक्शन करता तेन्ना खंयचे रस्त्यान त्या जाग्यार गेल्लो
येस स्पीकर सर ताणें जे सांगलें की GCDMA जे परमिशन दिला पळय न्ही हें तो रस्त्यान खंयच्या गेल्लो काय विचारता आत्तां म्हाका खबर ना थंय वचपाक खंयचो रोड आहा तो एक्झॅक्टली बट तांच्यांनी वचून इन्स्पेक्शन केलां आनी अकॉर्डिंग टू डॅट दीस इज नॉट अ म्हणजे दीस इज अ परमिशन इन कन्सल्ट वीथ फॉर GCDMA जितके लागता पळय न्ही तोच विशय आसा हाजी फुडली परमिशन जी आसा पळय न्ही ती SSI जी आहा पळय न्ही स्टेट इम्पॅक्ट असेसमेंट ऑथॉरिटी ही त्याच्या फुडली परमिशन दितली पूण तेका नक्की खंयच्या रोडान थंय गेल्या हें म्हाका खबर ना हांव चॅक करपाक लायता
स्पीकर सर हांव कित्याक विचारलें तें सांगता तुका नॉर्मली तुमचें उत्तर आसपाचें स्पीकर सर की GCDMA फक्त सियाजडेर लागता पूण तेंचें जें परमिशन जें तेणी दिलां आणि तितू तेणी दिला स्टोरेजाकूय दिला स्पीकर सर डेटेड जे आसा 25/4/2024 फॉर लोडिंग अनलोडिंग अँड प्लॅटफॉर्म्स अँड जेटी इन्क्लुडिंग स्टोरेज स्पीकर सर जरी त्या स्टोरेजाक जर परमिशन दिवंक शकता जाल्यार हांवें तुका प्रश्न विचारलेलो की स्पीकर सर की रस्तो खंयचो वापरलो ते पळोवपाक तो जागो विच इज अ रोड ते आन्सर करूंक शकना. बरें आन्सर करनाका. दुसरे स्पीकर सर जे म्हजे आशिल्ले स्पीकर सर ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर येयला एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर. स्पीकर सर दुसरो प्रश्न म्हजो आतां आसा की सीएमान सांगलें की SCIAन आतां तांकां उत्तर दिलां की आमकां रस्तो दाखय आनी आमी मागीर दितले. म्हाका फ्लोर ऑफ द हावस हांव एक लक्ष हाडून दिता की एनवायरमेंट इम्पॅक्ट असेसमेंट रिपोर्ट जो आसा हितू भितर स्पीकर सर हे नॅबिट म्हणटा ते तांकां सस्पेंड करपाक जाय. दे शूड बी रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम द लिस्ट ऑफ एम्पॅनल्ड. इफ यू गो टू द रिपोर्ट विल फायंड सो मेनी एनोमलीज. तेणी दिला कुंभारजुवा एरिया म्हणजे आमी रावता सावताक हे जे परमिशन दिता सावताक म्हाज्या मतदारसंघात आसोळ्या विलेजीन आनी तेणी जो रिपोर्ट दिला स्ट्रॅटेजिकल रिपोर्ट दिला की बाकीचे फ्लोरा फॉनाचे दिला कुंभारजुवाचे सावताचे काय घेवना. स्पीकर सर हे नॅबिट म्हणल्यार फ्रॉड पयलीं सर हे करता ताका पयलीं तुमी हेका बंद करतले हे आश्वासन तुमी दिवपाक जाय म्हाका स्पीकर सर की नॅबिट जे जाल्ले आसा ते नॅबिटान जे आपण केला ते कशें तुमी हे करतले म्हाका हे उत्तर दिवपाक जाय स्पीकर सर.
Regarding the permission given by GCZMA, it is per se as per the Act governing the Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority. So that permission is in place. From there, it goes to the SCIA, as the Honorable Member has said. The SCIA has drawn up a list of some 10, 15 questions. Till date, the party has not answered these questions. SCIA has taken a decision that they will give them a period, another 15 days from the next meeting of theirs, to reply to those queries. Should they not reply, SCIA will reject the application. As far as the Honorable Member is concerned, let me assure him that the government is sensitive to the demands of the people. The Panchayat has passed a resolution to say that they do not want this project. So the SCIA will look into the grievances of the villagers, and should they find them to be genuine, for example, off the cuff, in the complaint of the Panchayat, they talk about sand dunes. Now, according to me, this is a letter that has been drafted by somebody, and the Panchayat has just sent it because along our Goa rivers, there are no sand dunes. However, we will genuinely look into it, keeping in mind the sentiments of the locals, keeping in mind the sentiments of the Honorable Member, and we will take a decision. Give the SCIA some time. I'm again repeating, the government under the leadership of Dr. Pramod Sawant is sensitive to the needs and demands of the locals. So have no fears. We will look into it and take an appropriate decision once we are convinced of all these facts. I agree with you. One of the queries raised by SCIA is that there is no road to the property. We will look into that and confirm. If there are any anomalies found in the data of the EIA, SCAC, and the SCIAA will take necessary legal action. Rest assured, we will genuinely look into it. Once again, I'm saying, the Honorable Chief Minister is sensitive to the feelings of the locals. So have no fears, give us some time, we will resolve the issue as best as we can.
स्पीकर सर, ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरान उत्तर दिलां हांव तेजेर कांय व्हडलें उलयना. एक म्हयनो पयलो आमचो ऑनरेबल ऑपोजिशनाचो विजय सरदेसाय म्हज्या मतदारसंघान येवन ताका लोक मेळपाक गेले आनी सांगपाक गेले की हांव जेन्ना एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर जाल्लो तेन्ना ही सगळी परमिशन दिली, पूण हांगा जेन्ना क्वेश्चन हांवें मांडलो तेतून रिप्लायन सगळे स्पश्ट आहा. हे रिप्लाय तुमी पोर्टलार घालता आनी सगळी तुका दिसता स्पीकर सर. म्हाका एक एश्युरन्स जाय ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरा कडेन की हे जे आदित्य एनवायरमेंटल सर्विसीस प्रायवेट लिमिटेड ही जो EIA रिपोर्ट जो केल्लो आसा हितू इतले गोष्टी हांवें सांगल्या स्पीकर सर की आमी साऊथ गोवा पडटा आनी तेज्या रिपोर्टाचे सगळे नॉर्थ गोवाचे दिल्ले आहा स्पीकर सर आनी आमच्यो हिस्टॉरिकल सायट ओ हेरिटेज सायट्स ओ ज्यो सायट्स दाखोवपाक जाय रिपोर्टान एक देखून दाखोवना स्पीकर सर आमचे भितर आमचे भितर स्पीकर सर सेलावली डॅमाच्या सायडीन 7व्या सेंचुरीचे कदंबाचे बांदलेले देवूळ आसा आमचे तांबडे सुर्ला आसा हांगा ते दाखयना पूण दाखयला कितें ओल्ड गोवा चर्चीज आनी तेजे सरावंडिंगाचे एरियाचे सगळे दाखयता म्हणजे म्हजें इतलेंच एलिगेशन आहा की आदित्य एनवायरमेंट सर्विसीस प्रायवेट लिमिटेड इज अ फ्रॉड कंपनी स्पीकर सर who does not do anything but does copy and paste and submits EIA reports. I want an assurance from the Honorable Minister that EIA submitted by this fraud company will be not entertained by the GCDMA or anybody else, because this assurance I want from the Honorable Minister, it is there in your reply, Speaker sir. Entire report of 106 pages is in the reply as B. Colley. So I don't have to give it on the table of the House. It can be seen by them. So I am only highlighting what has been wrongly put up, and I want the assurance from the Minister that this will be there, as he has given me assurance today, that he will examine by SEIA within 15 days. If the company cannot give documents, the GCDMA, they will write and file the reply as assurance. I am thankful to Honorable Minister for that. But I also want that such environment impact assessment reports, which are given by faulty consultants, should not be entertained by GCDMA or any of this. And this assurance I want from them, from Honorable Minister.
Because as far as the GCZMA permission is concerned, I have to admit it was given during my tenure. But as I said, as far as GCZMA or the Coastal Authority, it is well within their rights because the Act provides that ports, jetties, and I'm sure the Honourable Member will agree with me, is within the rights of the Coastal Authority. However, having said that, when it goes to this higher committee, SEAC, it is their duty to look into issues raised by the Honourable Minister. That is why I said they've written 15 queries. As soon as those 15 queries reply comes, we will look into it further. Should no reply come within 15 days, they were given 30 days, but they have not responded. Within 15 days, we will definitely take action.
Yes, because sir, you didn't reply to my that Aditya Environmental Services.
Boss, off the cuff, to keep you happy, I may say yes. But I'm not sure whether we would be able to do that.
No, Speaker sir, Honorable Minister is the Environment Minister. I understand that issues related to CRZ, other central notified body, GCDMA is appointed by the central government. I think we have a double engine Sarkar. Double engine means we are a BJP government here and we have a BJP government in the center. And my request to Honorable Minister is this is a NABIT accredited agency, and if they are giving false information in a EIA report, I think this government has to point out to the central government that this agency is a fraud agency, and I'm asking an assurance from him that whether he will report this to the NABIT that this person should be withdrawn from the empanel list of consultants. This is my assurance I'm seeking from Honorable Minister.
I assure you that we will definitely write to NABIT and inform them. But what action they will take thereafter is left to them. That is why I am not willing to give you an assurance. But we will 100% write to them.
No, I agree, Speaker sir. I don't have any doubt on the Honorable Minister at all. My thing is, this type of EIA impact assessment reports created by this Aditya Environmental Services is being accepted by GCDMA. At least those directives you can give on your level that this person, because there is fraud, Speaker sir. I don't want to point out to you because you're wasting the time of the House. But I will write to you what are the frauds to your letter on my letterhead and showing what things are there which are should not have been part of the EIA. This I can do for you.
I can do one thing. I can give you a copy of the letter written by SEAC to the company where all these points have been raised.
I agree, sir.
Let the reply come and then let us sit down. We'll sit down together and we will discuss.
Yeah, agreed. I agree, Honorable Minister, what you are saying, I agree. I have got a copy already because it is part of your A column B, where you have written by SEIA that to calling the company within 15 days. I have that copy. You don't have to give it to me. My thing is to you is till such time it is decided this Aditya Environmental Services Private Limited, their application, their EIA report should not be considered. This is my request to you. At least in Goa, forget Nabit, let him go outside Goa and follow up the case of blacklisting this person who has got nothing. I will write to you, Speaker sir. I am then like secondly, Speaker sir.
On behalf of the Chief Minister and myself, I assure you we will take up the issue with Delhi.
No, I agree. Honorable CM is also on record. I thank you for that. But my thing is still such issues resolved. They should not be considered. This is one. Secondly, Speaker sir, you rightly pointed out that GCDMA works under the guidelines of the central government. I have a report in my hand given by you only in your answer. Speaker sir, storage is also given by permission by them. How they can give permission of storage when there is no road only? How they can give for loading, unloading performance? Anyhow, you have assured me that you will look into it, Speaker sir. I am happy with your assurance and I hope that the logical conclusion is withdrawal of all NOCs and without taking the panchayat and the local bodies into consideration, no such more permission should be given. This is my request to you, which I want assurance. Because involving the locals, not because of anything, the people want activities there. Speaker sir, the way they have been projected that they don't want is not right. There are Gram Sabha locations that they want the activities in that area, but not the way they want to bring it into that area, Speaker sir. So I request, we are not a negative people. We have taken garbage from 4 constituencies, 4 talukas, Speaker sir. From Marga also people accepting. We are a constituency with like-minded people for development of Goa. We are with you, Speaker sir. But when this comes to this type of things, when the panchayat them writes to them to make them part of the meeting, and you write to them after giving permission, I think this is something wrong which the GCDMA is doing, and this has to be stopped. So my request to you, Speaker sir, is that in future, whatever action you take, when the panchayat writes to you, local body writes to you, take them for inspection. We are not against development in our constituency. We are for development, but not the way the development has been brought by this EIA report, Speaker sir. This is the assurance you have given me. I hope you stayed by the assurance. That's all I am asking, Speaker sir.
Speaker sir.
Yes.
नाही बटन मारला बटन
आता जे दिसा आमचो निलेश कामरालान म्हणलें की 7 जुलय आपण हांव गेल्लो म्हणलें हांव खरोच गेल्लो स्पीकर सर आता आयकलें आमी बेसिकली टेक्निकलिटीज EIA SEAC हे सगळें आयकलें प्रोजेक्ट कसलो म्हाका कळटा ते भशेन शेलवणच्या लोकांचो ऑब्जेक्शन आहा कित्याक कोळसो तांच्या गांवांत येता म्हणून स्पीकर सर आमी खूबदां उलयताले की कोळसो हो मुर्मुगांव काबार केलें मुर्मुगांव तालुका काबार जालो कोळशा खातीर आतां तो कुडचड्यार येता म्हाकाय प्रश्न पडलो तेन्ना हो निलेश काबराल इतलें डेव्हलपमेंट अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग अंडरग्राउंड सिवरेज हें हाडपी कोळसो कितें हाडटा काय म्हणून तो प्रश्न म्हाकाय पडिल्लो स्पीकर सर आनी आतां हांव गव्हर्मेंटाक विचारूंक सोदतां तुमकां खबर आहा कोळशाचो प्रोजेक्ट आनी कोळशाचो प्रोजेक्ट तुमी एलाव करपाक तयार आहा क्लियर सांगचे कोंकणी
Speaker sir, we have sought clarification because nowhere have they mentioned what are the products they propose to handle.
No, it is supposed to
Could
be
be
coal.
coal, could be anything.
बोळा ताजे खातीर जाता
No, so we have sought clarification. And that is why I'm saying, give us a little time. As soon as we get clarity,
Before giving the ESI, we can ask for what the product they'll bring on the.
that is what we have asked.
Before giving the ESI permission,
कोळसो जर गांवांनी येवपाक लागलो
आमी-
ना ना एक ओगीच पळय आमी कोळशाच्या अगेन्स्ट उलयतना आमी कितें म्हणटाले की सगळे भारतमाला हे ते केला कोळशा खातीर तुमी म्हणटाले ना इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ हें कितें तें कन्विनियन्स ऑफ पीपल आतां हांगा कितें जालां हांगा एक मटेरियल स्टोरींग परमिशन दिलां जेटीज दिल्या सगळें दिलां कितें येतलें कितें हांगा तें जर कळनासतना तुमी प्रोजेक्ट एप्रूव करता ना एक मिनीट हें कळनासतना कसो प्रोजेक्ट एप्रूव करूं जाता कशें एप्रूव करतात तुमी
Speaker sir, एकच मिनिट Speaker sir, GCZMA अप्रूवल दिला ESI ताका परमिशन दिवना ESI परमिशन दिता आसतना ताका डिटेलान जे पेशंट्स विचारल्या आम्ही कोळशा खातीर परमिशन दिना हांव स्पष्ट क्लियर करता. त्यांनी बाकीचे क्लॅरिफिकेशन जे मागला क्लॅरिफिकेशन मागल्या उपरांत ESIचे परमिशन मेळटले. ताच्या शिवाय काय तुका permission मेळचें ना.
रेल्वे ओव्हरब्रिज झाला ताचे
त्यांनी जे
खातीर
केला आयन ओरा खातीर
झाला.
कित्याक न्ही त्यांनी जे केला पळय न्ही ते आयन ओरा खातीर कित्याक न्हू तूं कोळशा खातीरूच कित्याक म्हणटा.
ना आयनोर जाल्यार आयनोर म्हणून सांग तूं म्हाका हांव बसतां आयनोर जाल्यार आयनोर म्हणून सांग पूण थंयच्या लोकांचे भंय आहा. आयक एक सांगता एक मिनीट हांवें एक आमदारांक कितें म्हणलें की लोकांचें ऑब्जेक्शन आहा ते लोक हांवूय थंय गेल्लो लोकांचो भंय आहा की हो कोळसो म्हणून तुमकां जर दिसता तो कोळसो ना हांव बसतां म्हाका काय
आमी कोळशा खातीर परमिशन दिना.
बरें स्पीकर सर स्पीकर सर आम्ही
स्पीकर सर ऑनरेबल माझा प्रश्न मरे तू
खबर जाणार
तू विचार रे स्पीकर सर ऑनरेबल सीएमान एश्युरन्स दिला हांव फक्त त्या रिपोर्ट जो आसा हो जो कमिटी जी धाडलेली GCDMA त्या तारखेर तितू भितर हे प्रश्न जे आसा तेणे परमिशन जेन्ना मागला डिस्क्रिप्शन प्लॅटफॉर्म कुवे जेटी स्ट्रेंथनिंग ऑफ बंड्स एंड गर्बन वॉल इन्स्पेक्शन जेन्ना झालं इन्स्पेक्शन जे दिल्ले आसा ते ऑन 27/3/24 भितर इन्स्पेक्शन केला स्पीकर सर तितू भितर स्पीकर सर मॅनग्रोव्ह इफ एनी ऑन सायट शूड नॉट बी डिस्टर्ब इन एनी वे म्हणजे हे इन्स्पेक्शन रिपोर्ट जेन्ना वयता हे इंजिनियर वयता कोण तेजस नायक कोण गौरव पुणेकर म्हणटा पळय हो GCDMA म्हणजे तेजे रिपोर्टा मध्ये मॅनग्रोव्ह एट सायट इफ एनी तू बरें न्ही स्पीकर सर ती मॅनग्रोव्ह ना म्हण कसले इन्स्पेक्शन रिपोर्ट करता स्पीकर सर ते मॅनग्रोव्ह आमकां दिसता स्पीकर सर ह्या असल्या भुरगे हांगा कामार वता स्पीकर सर इफ एनी म्हणटा तुका इन्स्पेक्शन कित्याक करता स्पीकर सर इन्स्पेक्शन रिपोर्ट सायन केलो मिनिस्टर दिल्लो आसा हांगा.
Okay, can I answer? As far as GCZMA is concerned, let me assure you that if tomorrow it is found that details given are wrong, details are not forthcoming, SC will reject their applications. Consequent to that, GCZMA will also withdraw their approval.
अरे मजे मतदार तूही राबा सत्ता किती व्हिडिओ केल मी सांगले झालं का
पंचायती केले ऑब्जेक्शनाचेर हांव येता
अरे व्हिडिओ
तू कोड आना म्हणटा तू म्हणटा थिंग ओवर येतलो सो तुका 5000 फॉरेस्ट ट्रीज थिंगा डिस्ट्रॉय जाताय म्हणून पंचायतीन बरयला थिंग बरयला की दिस वील एंडेंजर दी वायल्ड लायफ बायोडायवर्सिटी जी आहा पिकॉक फेदर्स मेळ्ळाय थिंगा पोकुपायनागे स्क्विल्स मेळ्ळाय थिंगा ट्रेसीस ऑफ रॅबिट मेळ्ळाय हे सगळे बायोडायवर्सिटी हिंगा डिस्ट्रॉय जातले हे कोडशा लागून तू म्हणटा प्रॉब्लेम ना पूण ओरा लागून ही बायोडायवर्सिटी डिस्ट्रॉय जाल्या हे सरकाराक परवडटा Are you okay with it? Because this is what is being claimed.
Because,
are you agreeing to this claim? Is your government agreeing to this claim, or are you not agreeing to this claim?
Because I have said and I am repeating, SCAC has sought details of the project. Should these details, as per the Panchayat, be correct, rest assured we will not give the permissions if they don't reply to our satisfaction. This is an assurance I am giving this August House.
Yes, sir. Very specific. I would ask the honorable. Sir, the Kabrala and sir, mache. How specifically in Zada? Kabrali, mache. Speaker sir, या शेलगोणाचे लोक they had also come to us when we had gone to Kurchorin. आणि त्या वेळार
मागणात केल्ले कित्याक तुमी
संविधान बचाव अनडिक्लेअर्ड इमर्जन्सी
मागणात केल्ले
आता आय वुड कम व्हेरी स्पेसिफिकली टू द ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर की लोकांमध्ये भय आलो कोलाचो आता ऑन द सेम प्रिव्हियस जेटी कन्स्ट्रक्शन बाय द सेम प्रोपोनंट वन इन कुर्चोरेम एंड कामामोळ अंडर द गाइज ऑफ रेनोवेटिंग ओल्ड जेटीज under the guise of the same proponent has happened. I think you need to look into that level as well. Secondly, mangroves were cut within this project site without obtaining any clearances from the forest department. What action will you take on the violators? Anik, what I see is in this project proposal, it involves non-contiguous and scattered survey numbers in all your survey numbers. They are very scattered across Salvona. Anik, is this being done to obscure larger unified project? and whether EIA is considered, has considered this cumulative impact across all these parcels. They are, if you see, they are all scattered. So these are important issues. I think you should look into this.
I'm again assuring this August House and you in particular that the role of the Coastal Authority is basically to see whether ports or jetties fall within the ambit of the rules or the act governing them. That is 100% within granting of the NOC is 100% within their powers. Because I'm repeating, all they have to see is whether that activity falls within their rules, which it does. It is the role of SCAC to look into issues that you are raising. And I assure you, SCAC has sought clarifications because, as the Honourable Member has said, the EIA report has certain flaws. Similarly, the Panchayat complaint has also certain flaws. So they've sought clarification from the proponent, which they had given 30 days to answer. He has not replied. We are going to give him another 15 days from the time of the next meeting, which should be either this week or next week.
No, that's okay. I'm just asking. Mangroves have been cut in that area and scattered numbers.
At that time, we will look into all these aspects, and if anything is found to be right, we will take action.
Because sir, I'm happy that the Honorable Minister has assured, but I would like to place a report on the table of the House which the Honorable Chairman of Assurance Committee has placed the other day, where Alex Regional is there, where he has said that replies were received from 22 departments and 11 departments have failed to provide the replies on action taken despite ministers of this government may have the intention, but departments may not have the intention. So Honorable Minister should also see that it is done.
That question number 2, Vijay Sardesai.
Let's do it. 2B.
Answer as circulated.
Speaker sir, हो प्रश्न हा साऊंड रेस्ट्रिक्शन आणि इम्पॅक्ट ऑन टुरिझम आणि लोकल लाईफ. स्पीकर सर, आज हांव बेसिकली जे कोण आमची काजरां करतात, जे कोण रेस्टॉरंट चलयतात गोंयकार, तांचे खातीर हो इश्यू हांवें रेज केला. म्हजो पयलो प्रश्न आसलो की 10 जे म्युजीक बंद करतात ताजो इम्पॅक्ट टुरिझमाचेर कितलो जाता काय म्हणून. तो मे बी द क्वेश्चन इज नॉट टू द रायट मेन, एनवायरमेंटाचें काम न्ही तें, and therefore you have said that no assessment is done. But from what I gather, from studies that have happened, it is around 675 and can rise up to 1,620 crores a year. Just this 10 to 12 जे म्युझिक बंद जाता तातूनच इम्पॅक्ट ऑन टुरिझम एक जालें. स्पीकर सर, आता कितें करता सरकार? मुखेलमंत्र्यान भुपेंद्र यादवाक लेटर बरयलें 15 एप्रिल 2025 की 70 डेसिबल म्युझिक टील 1 AM अलाव करचें म्हणून. युनियन मिनिस्टरान म्हळ्यार वयले इंजिनान सांगलें की WHO गायडलायन्सा खातीर आनी 2005चो सुप्रीम कोर्ट गायडलायन्सा खातीर हें करूंक आमकां दिवंक मेळना. स्पीकर सर, म्हजो पयलो प्रश्न आहा, what is the next step of the government? Has the government given up on this issue?
As far as the government is concerned, there are 2-3 things that I would like to inform this August House. I know that the Chief Minister himself has taken up this issue umpteen times with the Union Minister of Environment and Forest. I have been present along with him twice. He has again, whilst I was not too well, approached the Minister himself in April. And a consequence to that, that letter has been sent. The government is consulting senior lawyers in Delhi to file an appeal, if required, for review of the Supreme Court order. Basically, it's the Supreme Court order that is binding us to 15 days. So the government is toying with the idea of filing an appeal, a review, petition or whatever you call it, before the Supreme Court to look into and review this particular issue.
Speaker sir, आता permissible outside noise at night in residential zone कितले आसूंक जाय? 45 decibel. Sound it seems drops 6 decibels every time distance doubles in open air. So from inside 1 to 2 meters to 20 meters, you can expect a 20 to 26 decibel drop. Therefore, to keep the outside level at 45 decibels, maximum indoor sound should be 65 to 70 decibels. हे calculation जाता. म्हळ्यार at source near the speaker. So that means 70 decibel जर भितर आहा, जाल्यार भायर तो 45 आसतो. Restaurants, you know, don't use a single speaker. They use a grid of speakers to create an ambient sound. Speaker sir, आता प्रश्न असो आहा की I went to Bangalore a few days ago. Bangalore एक वरामेरेन चलता, म्युझिक चलता, पार्टी चलता, सगळे एक वरामेरेन चलता आणि धाकटे जाग्यार न्ही आय एम टॉकिंग अबाउट रिच कार्ल्टन बी अशें. आता I have just inquired what they are doing because the laws are the same. The laws are of the country. You have also spoken to the union minister. So speaker sir, थंय म्हाका अशें कळटा की तांणी एक बजेट स्पीचान सिद्धरामय्यान डिक्लेअर केलें की इस्टॅब्लिशमेंट विल बी ओपन टील 1 AM. इस्टॅब्लिशमेंट्स. आता तूं काय हांगा इस्टॅब्लिशमेंट 1 आसूं 2 आसूं तूं बंद करपाक वचना. पूण हें ताणें डिक्लेअर केलें ते 1 AM बंद करतात सगळे रेस्टॉरंटां सगळे बंद. एकाचे मागीर तुका बसूंक मेळना, एकाचे मागीर तुका ड्रिंक मारूंक मेळना, पूण एकाचे मागीर तुका म्युझिकूय लावंक मेळना, सगळे बंद. आता हें चलता आनी बेंगलोराक टॉप टुरिझम चलता हें सगळ्यांक खबर आहा. थंय जाता जाल्यार हांगा कित्याक न्ही? आनी एक आहा, काजरांक तुमी काय पुलीस धाडना ह्या दिसांनी, पूण जाता कितें? जे कोण हॉलाचे ओनर आहा ते दावराचेरच पयलीं म्युझिक बंद करता. तूं व्हडलो कोण चीफ मिनिस्टर तुजो टोस्ट रेस करपाक आसूं, आमचे थंय आमी पळयलां की व्हडलो फावर मागचो पडटा. कितें म्हणल्यार मातशी 15 मिनटां वाडय. अरे हें कितें फकाणां? म्हणजे ते काजारी हे जे कपल आहा ते जेवून थंय वता ते हा बंद सगळें. आनी एक क्लिक जाला, क्लिक कितें बिटवीन द हॉल ओनर, द केटरर एंड द म्युझिक बँड. तांकांय काम कमी करपाक जाय आनी पयशे चड जोडूंक जाय. सो दीस स्पीकर सर यू हॅव टू इंटरवीन. इफ द लॉ डजंट अलाव यू टू रिव्यू पेटिशन ते केन्ना जातलें आनी कितें जातलें तें म्हाका गॅरंटी लागना. यू हॅव टू इंटरवीन दीस वे. सांग एक मेरेन सगळें चलयता आनी चलूंक दिवचें म्हणून. तुवें काल कुमुंदाजीचे आयले व्हडलें डॅरिंग घेतला तुवें, आज बरो टवटवीत कॅश बीस मारून आयला तूं. हें करपाक कितें आहा? हें कर, डिक्लेअर कर. बजेट सेशनान सिद्धरामय्यान बजेट सेशनान केल्लें तांचे अर्बन डेव्हलपमेंट डिपार्टमेंट अलाव करता. सो स्पीकर सर, कर्नाटकाचे थोडे कितें फॉलो करचें, वायट न्ही, बरें तें फॉलो करचें. सो एक हांव मागता, will the government allow restaurants, shacks, open air halls to play music till 12 PM? I'm not talking about 1 AM म्हणना. Install ambient air monitor and maintain the volume at the boundary below 45 decibels. Speaker sir, globally, including in parts of Europe and Southeast Asia, low volume ambient music is permitted even at night, provided it does not exceed ambient threshold at the boundary, which is 45 decibels in residential areas. Speaker sir, WHO guidelines जो तुम्ही आन्सर केल्या recommends limiting night noise exposure to 40 decibels, but not a total ban on sound. So the answer is also wrong. It is not saying that तू music लावूंकूच जायना म्हणून, अशें खंयच म्हणूंक ना. Speaker sir, we as a nation are selective when it comes to WHO guidelines. आम्ही air quality, दिल्लीची एअर क्वालिटी, दिल्ली बंद पडपाची, दिल्ली कांयच धंदो करूंक मेळचो ना तुका WHO गायडलायन फॉलो केले जाल्यार. इतले करोडपती आहा पळय बिलियनियर, तांचे धंदे बंद पडटले WHO केले जाल्यार. सो WHO सांगून एक काजारी जिविताक पयलो जो पावल मारता ताची काजार तुमी काबार करता, हें सारकें न्ही. टुरिझमाक 1600 कोटी हें आहा लॉस आहा पर इयर. सो हांव मागता स्पीकर सर, ह्यो तुमी एक क्लियर कट म्हाका एश्युरन्स दिया की जे कर्नाटकान केला ते तुम्ही फॉलो करतले.
स्पीकर सर, सिद्धरामय्या डायरेक्टली विजयाकडे इन टच आसा.
विजया टच आसपाचो न्ही. हांवें हें पळयलां आनी हांवें थंयच्यान थंय कितें जाता ती खबर काडल्या.
हांव पळयना म्हणटा म्हणल्यार युरी कडेन इन टच ना, डायरेक्टली विजया कडेन आसा. बट एनी हांव तो विशय वेगळो. स्पीकर सर ताणे जो सांगला की इट इज अप टू 1 PM पर्यंत एस्टॅब्लिशमेंट ओपन करून
1 AM PM म्हणल्यार पयलीं
सॉरी 1 AM पर्यंत दवरून पॉसिबल आसत हांव व्हेरीफाय करता स्पीकर सर डेफिनेटली गोंयच्या टुरिझम इंडस्ट्रीक जर हाचो फायदो जाता आसत जाल्यार आमकां बरें ते घेवपाक
टुरिझम आणि लोकल लोक
बरोबर
रेस्टॉरंट
आसतले.
बाजार मेन म्हणजे काजरा
काजरा स्पेशली काजरा
स्पीकर सर तूं एक स्टेटमेंट कर चीफ मिनिस्टराक सगळ्या लोकांक गोंयच्या जनतेक पळोवन ये की काजरा 1 मेरेन चलतले आपल्याक प्रॉब्लेम ना कर ना कर आम्ही अरे डिमांड क्वेश्चन करा हाचे खातीर एक्चुअली क्लब क्वेश्चन दुसरो आहा शुड हॅव बीन टेकिंग
स्पीकर सर काजरा 1 पर्यंत चल्ले म्हणून आमकां प्रॉब्लेम ना प्रॉब्लेम जो आसा पळय न्ही अकॉर्डिंग टू द जे एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट जे केसी फायल करतात
ना काजरा कोण करता स्पीकर सर एक मिनिट बेंगलोराक खबर एक मिनिट बेंगलोराकूय NGO आहात बेंगलोराकूय कंप्लेंट येतात पूण तुवें वेर देर इज अ विल देर इज अ वे सरकारान दाखोवचें देर इज तुजें डबल इंजीन आहा तुका भंय करपा सिद्धरामय्या तरी तो काँग्रेसीचो तुका डबल इंजीन सपोर्ट आहा मरे
ताज्या वांगडा उलयता मरे तुज्या वांगडाच उलयता
ना तेको ते उलयता भुपेंद्र यादवाक उलयता दिसा म्हाजे फ्रेंड तो एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर तेको तुका उलयना तो तुवें विश्वजीत उलयतालो दिसता म्हाका ते कडेन एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर तेगे फ्रेंड तो तुका उलयना तो
ना तो हांव डेली मेळटा भुपेंद्र हांवूय मेळटा आनी तोय मेळटा
मारूलय फ्रेंड तो मातशें मारूलय आतां फोन अनाउन्स कर आतां मार
सर ते सिद्धरामय्याचे पळय भुपेंद्र यादवाचे हांव विश्वजीत पळयता ते कांय चिंता ना
डॉक्टर चंद्रा शेट्टी
स्पीकर सर ताणें जें म्हटलां पळय न्ही आमकां गोंयांत मेन प्रॉब्लेम जो आसा एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट आणि बाकीचे लोक जे केसी फायल करतात ताका लागून तेणी जे म्हटलां की काजरा खातीर स्पेशली पळय म्हणून आमी स्पीकर सर आमी वे आउट काडटा डेफिनेटली काजरांक डिस्टर्ब जावपाक जायना हाजे आनी बाकीचो टुरिझम इंडस्ट्रीक ताचो फायदो जावचो
आणि सेकंड कितें आनी हे आतां व्हडले व्हडले क्लब बी चलयता पळय ते सकाळचे 4-5 पर्यंत आहा तांचो कोण त्रास करना हांव मागता ते लोकल रेस्टॉरंट लोकल काजरा लोकल मनीस गोंयकार पण
आमी गोंयकार काल कोमुजाती आणि त्या ती गोंयकारांची घरां ही रेग्युलर जावपाकूच जाय ताच्या खातीर हाडलेले
Chief Minister, is there a way? Can you do it? This thing and Fokan can fight now. See what you have written directly. Bhupendra Yadav's letter is there. Cabral had also written as Environment Minister. Recently, you have written the answer says very clearly. He said it is not possible. So what you will do in the state of Goa? Magic it kodo Kesli magic. What guidelines of Supreme Court you will bypass? What is that? Bisni sangle board आपण सारखी सांग.
सुप्रीम कोर्टात बायपास करूंक शकना पण आमच्या लोकल बिझनेसमॅन काजरा आणि टुरिझम हाच्या नुसार आमगे जो टायम हे करून कितें जे कायद्यात पॉसिबल आसा पळय न्ही ते हांव वॉटेवर ते करता.
डॉक्टर चंगा शेट्टी
हो जो एक क्वेश्चन म्हणजे जे उत्तर दिले आमच्या गोंय राज्याच्या मुख्यमंत्र्यान बरयल्यान तांणी उत्तर कितें दिल्लें तर 15 दीस रिलॅक्सेशन करू शकता. आता म्हाका इतलेच जाय 15 दीस जे रिलॅक्सेशन करू शकता ह्या आमच्या गोंयच्या कॅलेंडरार खंयचे 15 दीस आणि सेकंडली आमचो जो शिव जयंती आणि शिगमोत्सव आसा हो इन्क्लूड करपाक जाय हे म्हजे एक रिक्वेस्ट आसा. शिव जयंती आणि शिगमोत्सव नाल्यार शिगम्याक कितें जाता स्पीकर सर प्रत्येक कडेन रातचो बोवाळ जाता तसो आणि शिव जयंती इन्क्लूड करपाक
सर स्पीकर सर जे 15 दीस स्टेटी कडेन पावर्स आसा 15 दिसाची आणि ते 15 दीस जे आतां डिसायड करीत आसा शिमग्याकूच आमी 10 दीस वाजयला.
शिव जयंती सर स्पीकर सर शिव जयंती
स्पीकर सर शिव जयंतीक सांजचो कोण म्युझिक वाजयना म्हणजे बाकीचे ट्रेडिशनल ते डिसायड केला पळय न्हू आमी हे दीस डिसायड करता आसतना सगळे इंडस्ट्री सगळे विचार करून
एकदा NDAच्या मिटिंगेक हांवें इश्यू रेज केलो प्रायम मिनिस्टरा कडेन की भायल्यान येवन हांगा आमचें वेडिंग डेस्टिनेशन जालां गोंयांत आनी हे 15 आसा ते 115 करचे साम पिशेपणा पूण हांवें केन्ना म्हणिल्लें आहा सारकें सगळ्या फुडें तुजो पियूष गोयल बी सगळ्या प्रॉपर NDA प्रायम मिनिस्टरान म्हाका सांगलें की आय एम विलिंग टू कन्सिडर दीस फॉर गोवा. I'm not lying. You can check this up. You can check this up. You can check this up. I'm telling you. I Sudhin Gurukar proof. So Sudhin is also. Beside that, I have spoken there and I have given a list. काय नाही म्हणते 15 हा त्याचे आणि एक घालतो म्हणून 115 करपाचे
स्पीकर
कितें करून
सर
सांगा आतां वय म्हणिल्लें म्हाका नाजाल्यार विचार ताका
स्पीकर सर ते एनडीएच्या मिटिंगेक म्हटलेलें दिसता आनी विजय परतूय एनडीएन येता जाल्यार विचार करपाक काय हरकत ना
हे लोकांचे मशीन
Asan, Carlos Ferreira.
Honorable Speaker, in the specific question 2B, first question was whether the current sound restrictions in the state, particularly prohibition on playing music beyond 10 p.m., are adversely affecting the tourism industry in Goa. If so, detailed assessment or reports highlighting the impact of tourist inflow, event organizer and related business. And the answer is only half. Sir, no specific assessment is done. The question first was whether any adverse effect is there on tourism industry. Honorable Minister Nilesh Kabral, as he was then, in 2020 wrote about it. 2023 he wrote to the central government. And Honorable Chief Minister on 15th April 2024, Mullah Esh Mullah, just I'll read that part. Honorable Chief Minister Mullah, tourism industry is the backbone of Goa's economy, also main source of livelihood for local population. And then you made a justification. Now, the minister has replied that this cannot be done for two reasons. One is there is the law and there is the Supreme Court decision. Supreme Court decision came in the background of the law. Please understand this. So if you modify the law, I'm saying specifically for these up to 12 o'clock and allow festivals, weddings especially to take place in controlled decibel, then I don't think there should be a problem. Please understand, seeking a review without changing the law will not have any effect in the Supreme Court. Supreme Court will dismiss it. If your fundamental notification has not got a provision for modification, the Supreme Court will say you are not changing the law, you are asking us to modify, because you are recognizing the need for maintaining it, and his justification of Mr. Yadav, the Union Minister, is not required because of all these United Nations things and all that. So my respectful submission is the government can make a proposal. What I'm not saying, just make this letter. Give a draft how it should be there. You give it to them, then let them consider it, and then let them accordingly modify it. The Supreme Court is secondary afterwards.
You mean to say the change in law?
Change the notification. In that one, if you put, like how you put 15 days exemption,
Change the 15 days they have given for the state.
Right.
You mean to say the change in notification?
Amend the notification. Amend the notification.
Notification of the Government of India?
Government of India. You have to make a representation to them.
Means instead of the 15 days, you can say the, as Vijay has suggested, 115 days?
No. That will be excessive. 15 days. That will be. I'm not saying, what I'm saying 15 days is okay, not a problem, but I'm saying 12 o'clock, up to 12 o'clock, especially for our festivals, weddings and things and all that. Sometimes temple functions are there which go until 12 o'clock, not beyond that. And reduce decibel. I can understand till 10 o'clock you have got the timing, and 10 to 12 a reduced decibel. We can give you the draft of it, you can consider it and forward it. If it works, then the way we will get a benefit for all of us.
नाही जाल्यार लोक 12 पर्यंत दिता ना 12 पर्यंत दिता
Nilesh Kabral, yes.
CMA गाव नजरे काढून सोडतात
No.
इतली वर्सां
The honorable CM.
मध्य प्रदेश
साऊंड तो ना रे तो आता गेलो तो
Yes, विचारा.
मध्य प्रदेश साऊंड एक्ट आसतलो फाटल्या कांय वर्सां पयलीं सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटान कायदो हाडलो आनी तेका लागून हो कायदो चालू जालो स्पीकर सर पूण त्या कायद्या भितर खंय ना बरोवं ना स्पीकर सर की 12 करपाक तेजे एक मिनिस्टरान एक मेमोरंडम काडला तो 12 बंद 10 बंद करपाक जाय आनी हे करपाक जाय म्हाका दिसता ऑनरेबल सीएमान हेजे खऱ्यांनी स्टडी करून हे कायद्या भितर जे हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टराक पयले सुवातेर की इट इज नो बॅन इनसायड द प्रिमायसीस पूण हांगा पुलीस वचून इनसायड द प्रिमायसीस असो बंद करता हे पयलीं बंद जावपाक जाय ही जे आसा इनसायड द प्रिमायसीस साऊंड शुड बी कमिंग आउटसाइड द प्रिमायसीस म्हणजे माझे प्रिमायसीस आसा तेजे भायर जर डेसिबल चड जाल्यार ते बंद करपाक जाय पूण पुलीस वचून भितर वयता आनी बंद करता डेसिबल भायर जाता तेजेर एक इन्शुरन्स जाय की हे तरी लक्ष घालतले फर्स्ट टायम
स्पीकर सर हाज्या फुडें म्हणजे इनसायड द प्रिमायसीस जेचो पॅक हॉला भायल्या लोकांक कांय डिस्टर्ब जायना ताचे कोणूच बंद करचो ना हे हांव सामकें
आनी
एश्युरन्स
12 मेरेन रेस्टॉरंट आनी हे काजरा
12 मेरेन ते जावं
इनसाइड 70 डेसिबल allowed आहा.
इनसाइड चलता भायर तेंच्यांनी जो डेसिबल जिको आवाज
तिका डेसिबल मीटर बी दिला पुलिसान एनवायरमेंट डिपार्टमेंटान
ताका घेवनी न्ही तो जो कोण फॅसिलिटी आहा ताका लेट हिम हॅव दॅट क्वालिटी लेट हिम मेजर इट.
Srimati Dilay Lobo.
Because regarding sound pollution,
Madam, 1 minute. Basically, everybody's issue is regarding sound, which is a common issue. To see whatever each one is raising. I assure you all that we are seriously looking into the matter, and that is why we even said we will file a review if required before the Supreme Court to look into this.
Yes.
Into this particular ruling.
Speaker sir,
I will request all the members.
Yes,
Let
okay.
us
Yeah.
go to the next question.
Yes.
Let us not waste time on this.
Yes.
Because I am giving an assurance that we will look into the matter.
Question number 3, Aitan Di Costa.
Good. I may be permitted to ask question 3C.
3C.
Babush.
3C.
Speaker sir, this question is very serious in nature. Speaker sir, fraudulent structures insertion in survey plans. Speaker sir, the issue of fraudulent insertion of structures in Goa's official survey records is no longer an isolated complaint. It is now being exposed as a systematic and deeply rooted scam, potentially worth hundreds of crores. Speaker sir, according to the information in the public domain and whistleblower complaints, almost 180 structures, mostly in CRZ1 and prime coastal areas, have been digitally inserted into survey plans using the Bunaksha software, a GIS-based platform meant to promote transparency, now weaponized for corruption. Speaker sir, initially there was a software which was VMM, which was very good, but suddenly this Bunaksha came and this thing has been done. Speaker sir, these insertions were made without physical verifications, violating the basic norms of the ground and legal due process. What makes this scam more dangerous is that these fictitious entries are being used to obtain TCP and GCM ZMA approvals, falsely presenting them as pre-existing structures, opening the door to illegal constructions in sand dunes, mangroves and ecological fragile lands. Speaker sir, the official response in LAQ 3C is disturbing. While the Revenue Department claimed that no direct complaint was received by the Directorate of Settlement and Land Records, it admits that a vigilance inquiry is underway based on the complaints received by the Director of Vigilance. Speaker sir, the North Goa Collector, I think so, has been given the charge to take over this matter. Speaker, there is no accountability, suspension of criminal investigation despite gravity of this manipulation. Speaker sir, this is not error of mapping, it is deliberate digital tampering of land records with massive implications. Legal scarcity of land ownership is under threat. CRZ violation is being masked behind falsely surveyed data. Speaker sir, public trust in government records is rapidly going. Speaker sir, now my question is to the Honorable Minister. How many structures have been digitally inserted into the Bunaksha-based survey plan since 2019? How many of them were physically site verification was done and how many without site verification done? The first question now.
Speaker sir, first and foremost, I don't know from when they get this word scam. Let me explain how the process of actually the planning goes. The original plan, survey plan, was done in 1972. From 1972 till today, there is no other plan. So this is the old plan. Now what we used to do, then there was in 2004, a survey was done. VVM actually converted the physical plan into a digital plan, was done in 2000. Wait, let me explain to you. No? It was done then. And then after that, now in 1991, in 2019, the Bunaksha this thing came. Now, Bunaksha is a cadastral mapping software developed by NIC using open sources application. The objective of Government of India was that with proper customization, Bunaksha can be integrated with the existing land record application of any state that deals with textual data. Government of Goa adopted Bunaksha from 2019 for this integration. Now, as far as for migrating to Bunaksha, existing survey maps were converted into shaped files for uploading in the new software. The shaped files prepared were verified by surveyors, and during that time, various discrepancies were observed, such as missing boundaries, missing subdivision structures shown in different locations, and possibly mixing up of data captured during various resurvey process, which might have happened while migrating from the old software to Bunaksha. Now, let us go in 1972, when the first plan was done. They have made, this is the plan, the survey plan of Sultrop, survey plan of Goa. No, let me explain, let me finish, what's the hurry? Survey plan of Goa. That is a time, maybe 100 structures were there at that time. Okay, at that time. Now there must be around 10,000 structures. With just 10,000 structures, none of the structures will be reflecting in today's plan, because we have not done the survey, a fresh survey. Because the survey should have been done. Survey should have been. Let me explain. Survey should have been done 30 years. After 30 years, survey was supposed to be done. Now, for it is past 2 years, no survey has been done. So now basically we have this thing. I believe what happened, that survey should be done at every 10 years to put all the new structure. So here what has happened here? It is no scam what you are talking about. Here there has been a mix-up.
Speaker sir, you know one of your relative also was scammed. I don't want to take Speaker Jana. I have the details. Plan I don't want to take the names. Prominent people are there. Speaker sir, it is what? So Speaker sir, ये गाइला आप किधर करे? इतने आंदोलन ये आप किधर करे?
Listen to me.
If it was correct,
what I am trying to be.
You are not trying to tell. You तुम बुढ़ापा होता. Speaker sir, it is not a scam. It is not a scam. This practice, the insider has been removed now. Why it has been removed now? Your staff, Speaker sir, तुझे staff थिंगा गाड़ी मत आई. तेरा सोनवार आयता रे दिन काम करूँ कोटा. ये सबली केवल ते कारपा. तो scam no mood किधर सोनवार आयता holiday जाले ते आप होता ही थिंगा.
No, that is the reason what I am trying to say.
So why it was that?
There has been a mix-up. How the mix-up has taken place?
Let us not do politics. Speaker sir, it is not a question of guideline. It is the question of identity of Goa. Atkal ani ki tare. Aaj ye, if this structure, Speaker sir,
you are not
Speaker sir, I'm not saying that you are part of it, but it has happened. Admit that it has happened. I'm not saying that you are part of it, but these things have happened. See, this is the data I have. I'm placing on the floor of the House. Speaker sir. Yes, sorry.
No. What I am trying to tell you, there has been a mix-up. I am not saying no.
Why? How this happened?
See, what has been the mix-up? What has been the mix-up? They have got two plans. What plan? Now one they have got a 1972. Listen, one 1972 and the new structural plan which survey was taken place in 2004, which had not been completed.
So that means
these
structures. Listen to me. These structures are of prominent people.
So what is the difference now?
They are old munis. It is not just small people who structures are.
No. What is the difference between old plan and new plan? There is no difference.
Because sir,
Bunaksha plan is the same.
Yes. I'll explain.
Yes.
Other Speaker sir, very specific. ये plan पड़े हैं, very simple. You are trying to गुणावपा प्रयत्न चला. I'll tell you one thing.
प्रश्न है ना. Let me explain.
Almost ये list जे पड़े मिलियन डाला, more than 200 structures have been shown on the Bunaksha plan that have been changed. And 200 structures all across the state. आणि जेन्ना हे झाले स्पीकर सर त्या वेळार ते परमिशन घेऊन CZMP just sit, I'll tell you. It's my joint question. You sit. आता स्पीकर सर CZMP I'll give you one particular case. Based on the change of this Bunaksh plane, one Parakishat Pappi, Dura developers Jalandhar Punjab, એને plane ye change kon permission gele. Private party applied to CRZ by giving misrepresentation. Other speaker sir, 112/4 of Kandolim village. 3 structure दाबिले 0 to 200 meters, 200 to 500 meters आमध्ये. ये manipulation झाला हिंगा बोसन IP addresses change करपाक. कोलवाचे प्लेन चेंज झाले मांद्रेच्या गावात. मांद्रेचे प्लेन झाले कोलवाच्या मुखेलमंत्री खबर आहा. This you please admit. Do not particular. You were not aware. You all were not aware. I know that the department, even the environment minister was not aware. They were not. Once again, no. Later. Reality. AG more than 600 crores of rupees was collected by one individual, and others were used. This is a criminal offense. You cannot change structures like this. हे केन्ना येले मंत्री तुझ मुखार येले जेन्ना तो मनीस तुझ्या सोयऱ्या एकले सोयऱ्या बरे गेलो. This is a criminal offense.
प्रश्न किती
आज बारीक नुस्तेकार
प्रश्न किती
जे बारीक लोक आज हे CZMP सर हो प्रश्न पडा आता in your answer. Now I'll tell you exactly on your answer. The answer given to CZMP in your reply when they asked you, when they flagged this particular land record about this one Kalangut Constituency Forum, they complained to CZMP. In that when CZMP wrote to your DSLR, you all said these are doubtful structures. Now Speaker sir, the DSLR they are acknowledging that this structure, once again, after that Speaker sir, they wrote back. And CZMP cancelled that particular issue. Tinga hotel banpache prayatna. Prashna this is a criminal. Will you take? There has to be an SIT on this. Itle muine. Transfer kela ke muncha.
See what I am trying to tell you.
No, see, you are not trying. You are trying to gunao.
I am not going to enter the place. I am giving a proper explanation how this plan goes.
प्रश्न है कि कौन है ये लोग, कहां से आते हैं ये लोग, क्या करते हैं ये लोग, किसने किया ये, किसने ये घोटाला किया? You should know. ये किसने किया? Yes.
You tell me no.
No, he's placed it. Now, see, Honorable Minister, you know it.
I am explaining how our plan goes.
What is your plan?
Plan C.
Based on this,
Yes,
structure.
As far as Gunasha plan is concerned, as far as Gunasha plan is concerned, Gunasha plan refers to the same 1972 plan. Nothing has changed. Listen to me. Now what? Listen to me. Listen. Now you sit down.
Action घेतलो.
Listen to me. That's what I'm trying to say. So now what has happened? As far as Bunaksha's plan is same 1972, even your house which you have built will not be shown in this Bunaksha plan. Which you are doing that is very clear. Listen to me. Now 2004. Listen to me. Listen to me now.
2 मिनिटं ऐक 2 मिनिटं
See, you don't threaten here. Yes. You don't fire threat me.
No, you listen. We want action.
Action will be taken. Action will be taken. But I am telling you what is the mix-up which has happened.
No, what action?
Action we have already told. We have instructed. Has been told to take formal inquiry. We are not relying. We are not relying any of our. So this one will be doing the inquiry. The collector, we have ordered the collector to do.
Collector of vigilance has written to you.
Vigilance has not returned to me.
Yes,
Vigilance,
thank
no,
you.
it is a direct, it is in an initial stage in last year itself, director itself has returned to all the SLR.
There is a fresh
any deficiencies which are there to correct it.
There is
You
a
check,
fresh
you
report
check,
by
please check the
Vigilance.
report. Yes, you check the report.
बरेला
But before that, our department itself has returned to all the ISLR.
What is about what
Vigilance has done only as far as the and the complainant also has withdrawn his complaint.
कोणी ती सांग मरा
But that has got nothing to do with it.
सर स्पीकर सर कोणतरी अविनाश तावारी नावाच्या मनशान विजिलन्सचा कंप्लेंट अविनाश तावारी कोणतरी विजिलन्सचा कंप्लेंट बरयल्या आणि विजिलन्सचा कंप्लेंट बरोबर त्यांनी विड्रॉवल केली
ना 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 हांव एक प्रश्न घायला त्या हेजेर म्हाका उत्तर बेस्ड ऑन माय कंप्लेन यू ऑल हॅव रिटर्न टू विजिलन्स एज
No, sorry,
ऍक्शन घे ऍक्शन घेता
Yes, Your Honor, Attorney Costa.
Elton Costa, zero.
No, Antarwat. Yes, Antarwat.
I bring to the attention of the House that a local fishing community from Kortali take big risk while working at Kortali fishing jetty at the fish minding shed. The jetty, which was built many years back, is neglected by the fishing department and it is in very bad condition. Old trawlers are grounded around the jetty, which is dangerous. Request the government to repair the fishing jetty at Kortali and repair the shed immediately. Speaker sir, जी आमची Kortali jetty आसा ती सारकी bad condition आसा आनी हांव मागता जातातले बेगीन ही आमची
Yes.
jetty repair करपाक.
Shri Digambar Kamat.
Attention of the House is drawn as regards the apprehension in the minds of the senior citizens who go to buy ration card, to buy their ration in the fair price shops and find that their fingerprints cannot be recorded in the machines. Due to this, the shopkeepers refuse to give them ration. मातशें पळय कित्याक ते मशिनाचेर तांचे जाणटे लोकांचे हात येना बोटां ते प्रिंट येता प्रिंट येना जाल्यार ते म्हणटा तुमकां रेशन ना which is a very serious matter.
Yes.
ती सगळे जाण म्हणटा आमकां रेशन प्रायम मिनिस्टर फुकट रेशन दिता आनी हे हांगा प्रिंट येना म्हणटा प्रिंट येत ना तांचो फॉल्ट मातशें पळय
Check. Shri Vijay Sir.
Speaker sir, fear and anxiety in the minds of elected representatives of local bodies that the sentiments of the High Court are not adhered to and respected by relevant authorities. I'll just clarify. There is a order passed yesterday by the High Court in the matter of Rumdamol Panchayat, and the intention of the High Court, Rumdamol, Naveli, dated 7th August 2025 is very clear that Director of Panchayat should keep the election for the post of Sarpanch and Deputy Sarpanch of Rumdamol Panchayat in abeyance till the South Goa District Court disposes of the petition. The government should not go against the intention and the spirit of the High Court order. A glance at the order clearly shows that the High Court has given a level playing field for all the parties. If you want to place this on the table of the House, I want the assurance that the spirit and the intention of the High Court will be respected. You will not do something by which the petitioner has to go to the Supreme Court or go to some other court.
Speaker sir, we will do what is legally correct.
No, legally, I understand legally correct. I have specified what is the intention. I will send this to you. You can also read it. But don't hasten.
Yes, Shri next.
Don't try to manipulate.
Please, Purkar.
तुम्ही दोघे म्हणून हे आता because that guy thanked you. This is the same fellow, the fraudster who made that off. Urfan Mullah म्हणतात. Yes, thank you and Chief Minister for destabilizing a panchayat. अरे thank you म्हणला press conference घेऊन. म्हणून हांवें इश्यू रेज केला. हायकोर्टान
कितें उलयता ते विजय
हांव तुका व्हिडिओ हाडून दाखोव. हांव वकील उलयता.
Yes, sir, बसून घे.
तुका दिसता हांव केन्ना वकील उलोवपी?
भायल्या विशय भितर कित्याक हाडटा
पाहिलं नाही अरे हे ना एक मिनिट मागचे समजूंक ना मुखार ना हे हायकोर्टान वचचे पयलीं जेन्ना ते तांकां डिस्क्वॉलिफाय केले 4 जाणांक तेन्ना ताणें तुका आनी पंचायत मिनिस्टर थँक्यू म्हणलें प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवन हे फट न्ही हे जाल्यार तुका व्हिडिओ हाडून दाखयता
Yes. Yes. बसून घ्या, बसून घ्या.
थँक्यू न्ही अरे बाबा
Yes.
विरेश बोरकर हॅलो
Attention of the House is drawn to a shocking incident that occurred on Thursday, where Morjim Panchayat Secretary Sachin Diwaskar was brutally assaulted at the. Attention of the House is drawn to a shocking incident that occurred on Thursday, where Morjim Panchayat Secretary Sachin Diwaskar was brutally assaulted at the Pednem BDO office during a hearing on an RTI appeal. The alleged attackers, reportedly from Delhi, not only issued verbal abuse and death threats to the secretary, but also physically assaulted him with the slaps, punches, and even attacked him with a steel bottle. They further vandalized the Pernem BDO office during the assault. This incident raises serious concern about the safety of government officers performing their duties. I urge the government to take strict action against the culprit and clarify that concrete steps are being taken to prevent such violent acts, particularly by outsiders, and to ensure the safety and dignity of the government servants in Goa. Speaker sir, हांगा कालचो हो incident आसा आनी पेडणेचो जो BDOच्या ऑफिसान सेक्रेटरीचेर अटॅक केला स्पीकर सर मोर्चेचो आणि स्पीकर सर अशें सांगपाक प्रयत्न केलो की गाड देगा आणि हात फ्रॅक्चर जालो हेजेर एक्शन घेवची स्पीकर सर ताका ऑलरेडी भितर उडयला एक्शन घेता ना हे दिल्लीकारांची दादागिरी नेक्स्ट काल अनेक एक्शन नेक्स्ट
There is a growing anxiety and fear among our people of Goa following the recent High Court directives regarding the widening of district roads, state highway and rural roads. Many residents and business owners are in a state of panic, worried that their home and commercial establishment may be demolished in the process as they have received notice from the Panchayat. I urge the government to take proactive and compensate measures to safeguard the interests of the affected citizens while implementing this necessary infrastructure improvement. I request that the government to ensure full transparency and consult with the public whenever needed and be considered. It is crucial that no arbitrary or blanket demolitions are undertaken and that the dignity and right of our people are respected and upheld. The step the government intend to take in this matter.
Shri Nilesh Kapran. Next.
Fear and anxiety in the minds of people, especially among parents and guardians, as school safety in Goa comes under serious question. A recent NCERT survey, Rashtriya Sevak 2024, under Union Education Ministry, has revealed that 29% of students in Goa reported being physically hit by their peers, and 23% of schools do not have anti-bullying policy in place. This is a deeply troubling indicator that our children are increasingly exposed to environments of fear, intimidation and emotional distress within institutions meant to nurture and educate them. The lack of standardized guidelines, absence of trained counselors and inadequate response mechanism have created a vacuum that is impacting the mental health and overall well-being of students across the state. Incidents of bullying, both physical and psychological, often go unreported due to stigma and fear of retaliation. While teachers and school administrations remain under-equipped to handle such sensitive issues effectively, I therefore urge the Chief Minister, the Education Minister to urgently take up the matter of child safety in schools on priority and direct all educational institutions, government and private alike, to mandatorily implement anti-bullying policies with immediate effect, and also inform the House that what steps the government needs to take ensure that every student in Goa feels safe, protected and respected within their school environments.
Shri Sankalp Bhamunkar.
instructions data.
Shri Sankalp Bhamunkar.
Speaker sir, attention of the House is drawn to the concern raised by the residents of Mormugao constituency regarding the frequent overflowing of sewage through the sewer line and chambers, which poses serious health and environmental risk. Certain area within their constituency includes those near BCB school, GRB colony, Edland Seda, Bogda areas, ward number 9, etc. experience this incident regularly, causing significant distress to the people. Immediate attention and remedial measures are requested to address these recurring issues. Step the government intend to take in this regard.
Speaker Nagarike begins to talk.
Shri Kedar Naik.
Because, sir, attention of the House is drawn to the problem faced by the people of Saligaon constituency as the RD school in Sangolda causes significant traffic congestion during school drop-off and pick-up times. This has severely disturbed the traffic flow on Chogam Road, causing severe traffic jams and affecting emergency services like ambulances. Locals have raised serious concern as no action has been taken by the school authority despite several requests. This issue leads to daily traffic jams and delays for the commuters. Locals are frustrated with authorities towards their inaction in the address to address the issue. CM sir, continuously every day 7-8 दीस जाले 50-50 SMS येता आणि व्हिडिओ येता म्हाका आणि 2-2 किलोमीटर ते आम्ही वर्बली तांकां सगळ्यांक सांगले ट्रॅफिकाक कळयले स्कुलाक रिक्वेस्ट
पर्सनली सकाळच्या वेळेस चड ट्रॅफिक फोर्स
डेप्युटी कलेक्टर एड्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंट सिरियस होतो थँक्यू
Shri Pramin Shet.
Because there is fear and anxiety in the minds of farmers that during monsoon some of the rivulet poi, especially at Savanwada Moem, gets flooded. Thereby farmers could not cultivate their fields and face lot of losses. The main reason that this rivulet poi needs desilting and therefore farmers are unable to cope up with the such process. In my demands, I have raised this issue that rivulet poi which requires desilting, especially at Savanwada Moem, in my Moem constituency, I had suggested that this District Mineral Foundation has to request to comply this problem, that is desilting should be carried out under District Mineral Foundation funds, being a mining belt, and so far no action has been action in this regards. In the view of ABA, I hereby request the government to kindly take up this issue on the top priority to get the desilting of the rivulet poi, Savanwada Moem constituency on the top priority under District Mineral Foundation Fund to give relief from the fear and anxiety among the farmers. Because Honorable Seyaman instruction देऊन सुद्धा ही poi WRD ने अजून काय करू ना Speaker sir. Speaker sir, Honorable Seyaman हे instruction दिले actually poi desilt करा म्हणून WRD पण तरी अजून ते करू ना Speaker sir.
आता करपाक लायता कदाचित पावसा खातीर उरला आसतलें करता.
Shri Alex Lawrence.
Speaker sir, I am sorry I could not raise this in the demands and Magiri Maktidus time now. So I'll raise this now. Fear and anxiety in the minds of persons of disabilities and their parents who might not be able to get 5 crucial supports. DSS animash increase kurpa jaye. Life insurance for disabled child. Life insurance cover for parents of disabled child. Ladli Lakshmi scheme jote tenga kazar kon kazra 1 lakh hadi 2 lakhs kilometers zale thank you baji. Special issue of special bonds at high rate of interest exclusively for disabled person subscription only. And at present no scheme is designed and available for motivating parents to pursue study of their disabled child in special school. Thank you finance na action the government is going to take. Because sir एक कुछ मिनट गया था DSS thank you Dr. Subesh Khel dalari ekdam वर जाता because they have find it very difficult. Second thing they have got thank you Dr. life insurance cover coromata for parents. The percentage of children are very small. And is Dr. Ladli scheme ti kazra hati thank some of them might not get married also. And some of them might have some education account kite modify coromata kite jat chale thank special. I'm not saying they are not going to get her. If they don't get, they'll correct my statement. Again, so suggestion for interest special bonds kurpak at high rate of interest 15% in thank only for the parents thank motivation that all and studies are speaker sir very important.
Shri Praveen Adlikar. Praveen Adlikar.
Speaker sir,
Yes.
fear and anxiety in the mind of the people, respect to SC caste certificate being issued to ineligible candidate may have fraudulently obtained SC certificate to avoid government job and scheme and depriving genuine beneficiary. I urge the government to take strict action and issue a proper verification to caste certificate to protect the right of SC committee.
Yes.
Speaker sir, जे आयज हे कोणी जे
मेन्शन केले मॅडम.
हेजेर कशें तें एक्शन जावंक जाय सर, जे आयज हांव सांगूंक सोदतां.
बिकॉज द प्रॉपर व्हेरिफिकेशन ऑफ द सर्टिफिकेट म्हणटा
जे
पळय
certificate
आतापर्यंत हांव तुज्या म्हायती खातीर सांगता समाजाची सर्टिफिकेट दिता पळय न्ही त्याय लोकांनी व्हेरीफाय करून समाजाची सर्टिफिकेट दिवची म्हणजे फुडें प्रॉब्लेम जायना.
पण आयज
समाजाचे
इतली
लोक जेन्ना
वर्सां-
व्हेरीफाय करता आसतना चुकयता पळय न्ही मागीर फुडें प्रॉब्लेम वाडटा ते. त्या ती पर्टिक्युलरली खंयच्याय समाजाचो आसूं.
पण हांव सांगूंक सोदतां जो पळय मनीस आयज आहा तो हावसिंग बोर्डान आसा, हेजेर आयज फास्ट हेजेर एक्शन जावचें.
दिता आसतना
जाय जाल्यार-
समाजाच्या लोकांक कळना ती खंयची दिवपाची.
जाय जाल्यार सराकूय सांगूंक सोदतां जे कोण मनीस तो.
Because sir, I would like to bring to the attention of this house a serious issue of dilapidated buildings in our port town, which pose a significant threat to the public safety. Several of these structures, both occupied and unoccupied, some owned by MMC, are on the verge of collapse. We have already seen portions of slab falling, which creates major danger. Many of these buildings are in the city center where thousands of people pass daily. Since the owners have failed to act or at least bothered to protect this property, I urge the state administration to intervene immediately. These buildings must be either taken over or demolished as a matter of priority to protect the public. I request the Honorable Minister to kindly address this urgent matter. Speaker sir, municipality's property थोडे आसा आणि त्योय बी आणि गव्हर्नमेंट म्हाका दिसता कलेक्टरान थोडे प्रोसेस स्टार्ट केला. सो ते करून ह्योय बी बिल्डिंग डेमोलिश करच्यो.
Speaker, sir, attention of the House is drawn on the lack of facilities available for the children with autism. What steps does the government intend to take in this regards to provide necessary support and care for these children, special child and their families? Speaker, sir, a particular case, Maksota that Tengelo Sastit or the main Salendra Mutamge Kepe Madasan, he sorted an appointment with you almost Kitle party of Samukela. So if you give me an appointment date or to get Opsamak, I can come with na Kizata. तेमी कितले पाट तूं केला द होल पेरेंट्स सगळे ग्रुप आहा.
तूं आतां दी म्हाका हाडून अपॉइंटमेंट दी कित्याक सोंपल्या उपरांत दी कितें तें पळयता.
ना दे वॉन्ट टू कम एंड मीट यू इन पर्सन.
मागीर तूं घेवन यो मरे.
हांव घेवन येवपा मरे.
थँक्यू. कशी येता मरे तूं.
हे थँक घेन मरे चड जाण आसतली.
Always Speaker, frequent irregular trips by Kadamba bus on Mapsa to Ambari and back. Attention of the House is drawn to the causing of inconvenience to local residents and other communities due to frequent breakdown of the bus for which replacement is needed. Steps the government intends to take on this route. Only I just want to make one statement. This bus goes to an end of the portion on Aldona constituency. So children have to go, people go to work, then they go to Mapsa, they come back from market, and then the bus is suddenly not there, there's no trip, there's no announcement, no replacement. Your KTC wanted to give me a 44-seater bus. 44-seater bus doesn't go inside there. It can't take a turn also. So if you can give me one mini bus, I think that will go a long way. If you can have that.
Sri Wednesday.
Speaker sir.
Avlash.
Speaker sir, arise to highlight a pressing issue regarding the statutory requirement for forming the Minority Commission in Goa. Despite its importance, this commission remains absent. The formation of a Minority Commission is a statutory requirement to safeguard the rights and interests of minority communities. The absence of this commission leaves minority communities without a dedicated platform for addressing their concerns. I urge the government to immediately form the Minority Commission as per the statutory requirements. Ensure the commission role in protecting and promoting the welfare of the minority communities. Because sir, 2012 तुम्ही एश्युरन्स दिल्ले हे कोतले म्हणून 2012 ती 2025 साली आता एक एश्युरन्स मेळी की जात कम मातशे इट वूड हॅव हेल्प एवरीबॉडी. स्पीकर
Cruz Silva.
Speaker sir, I rise today to draw the urgent attention of this House to the matter concerning the Mount Carmel Chapel and the convent in Chembal, a site of immense historical and cultural significance for Goa. Declared as heritage site on 7 December 2020 by the Town and Country Planning Department, this monument stands as a proud symbol of Goa's indigenous Carmelite legacy. The Mount Carmel Conservation Committee of Chembal, along with the Carmelite Fathers of Akyang Marga, has appealed for the return of the property to the Carmelite order in line with the 1940 concurrent between the Portugal and the Vatican, which remain valid under the Goa Daman Diu Act of 1962. I urge the Honorable Minister to issue a statement and take necessary steps to restore the Mount Carmel Chapel and its surrounding property to the Carmelite order, ensuring justice and preservation of Goa's unique heritage. Speaker sir, थोडे पेपर्स आहेत ते मातशे टेबल करपाक करता मातशे स्टडी कर.
फुडें वचुया.
स्पीकर सर एक आमगे 0 मेन्शन करून दिला. आय जस्ट वॉन्ट टू नोंदरे मुखार हाडपाक सोदता जे NIT जे जॉब स्कॅम
विषय काल काढलो मरे
ना पण तुवें सांगलो तुवें आंको थिंग मिटींग जाल्या आनी एक फ्रेश व्हिडिओ भायर सरला.
सर हांवें ताका सांगलें इन्क्वायरी करता म्हणून काल विषय काढलो
स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन इन्क्वायरी
करता.
फामाद नामनेचे आणि गांवांतल्या व्यक्तींचे शोक प्रस्ताव सभागृहात दवरता.
करता
राष्ट्रीय
करता सांगलें.
येस
हाडटा कालूच सांगला.
येस
बरें आसा.
राष्ट्रीय सेविका समितीची आदली फुडारी सर्गेस्त प्रमिळाताई मेंढे हांकां मरण आयला. एक दूरदर्शी प्रतिभावंत नाट्य कलाकार आणि नामनेचे उद्योजक सर्गेस्त परेश जोशी हांकां मरण आयला. नामनेचे तियात्रिस्ट सर्गेश्री सुसी जुजे जोकीम फर्नांडीस आनी मॅन्युअल एडवर्ड कार्वालो हांकां मरण आयला. ललित कला आणि डिझायनिंग मळावेले एक नामनेचे कलाकार सर्गेस्त दिलीप धारगळकर हांकां मरण आयला. शोक प्रस्ताव सभागृह मानून घेवचे. शोक प्रस्ताव सभा एकमतान मानून घेतले. सगळ्यांनी उभे रावया. बसून घ्या. सभागृहाची भावना त्यांच्या सगळ्या कुटुंबाक आमी कळटा. अभिनंदनाचे प्रस्ताव सभागृहात दवरता. मान्य श्री राजेंद्र आर्लेकरजी आणि केरळाचे राज्यपाल म्हणून शपथ घेतल्यावर ताचे अभिनंदन करता. पोप 14वे लिओ आणि जेजुईत पाद्री फादर रिचर्ड अँथनी डिसोजा आणि व्हॅटिकन वेधशाळेचे संचालक म्हणून नियुक्ती केल्याबद्दल त्यांचे अभिनंदन करता. फुटबॉल असोसिएशनचे उपाध्यक्ष श्री जोनाथ डिसोजा आणि आशियन फुटबॉल कॉन्फरन्सचे मॅच कमिशनर म्हणून ताची नियुक्ती जाल्याबद्दल ताचे अभिनंदन करता. दिवचलच्या श्री वेदांत अश्नोडकर आणि प्रतिष्ठित पहिली राष्ट्रीय कोण कमेर चॅम्पियनशीप 2025 हातूंत भांगरा पदक मेळिल्ले खातीर तांचे आमी अभिनंदन करता. 2025 राष्ट्रीय कृषी विज्ञान पुरस्कारा खातीर वेंचून आयिल्ल्या बद्दल संचालक श्री प्रवीण कुमार, शास्त्रज्ञ श्री मनोहर के, डॉक्टर आर सोनामन राजकुमार, डॉक्टर गोपाल महाजन, श्री श्रीकांत जी बी आणि डॉक्टर परमेशा या ICARच्या टीमीचे आमी अभिनंदन करता. 2020-25 बॅचची निमाणे MBBSची परीक्षेत डॉक्टर एना मारिया तारिया आंद्रांदे का पहिले क्रमांक फावो जाल्ल्याबद्दल अभिनंदन करता. लेफ्टनंट कमांडर कू दिलना के आणि कू रुपा ए के आणि 3D केपल्यान त्यांच्या परिक्रमा मोहिमेचे एक भाग म्हणून ANSB तारणी बोटीचेर इंटरनॅशनल डेट लाईन्स यशस्वीपणे पार केल्ल्याबद्दल तांचे आमी अभिनंदन करता. विंग कमांडर व्योमिका सिंग आणि कर्नल सोमिया कुरेसी हेर सगळे अधिकारी आणि सैनिक जे ऑपरेशन सिंदूर सामील जाल्ल्याबद्दल तांचे अभिनंदन करता. डॉक्टर श्रीराम कामत दाकणकर हांणी गोंयच्या पयली
एआर असिस्टेड रोबोटिक नी आणि हिप रिप्लेसमेंट सर्जरी खातीर केल्ल्या खातीर तांचे अभिनंदन करता. जोळावपेची कुमारी तन्वी केरकर आणि मिस वोक स्टार इंडियन सीजन किताब जिखिल्ल्या खातीर तेंचे आमी अभिनंदन करता. श्रीमती नयना आडरकर हांकां बेलाबायचो शंकर आणि हेर काणयोकार ह्या कोंकणी पुस्तका खातीर बाल साहित्य पुरस्कार फावो जाल्ल्या खातीर आणि श्रीमती ग्लेनिस डायस हांकां गांव गाता ह्या लघुपट पुरस्कारा खातीर पुस्तका खातीर युवा साहित्य पुरस्कार फावो जाल्ल्या खातीर ताचें अभिनंदन करता. कलाचेतना बळवय हांचे कोंकणी नाटक गांव जाला जाणटो ह्या एकाच दिसा एकाच थळार एकाच कलाकारान आणि टिमी सहित नाटकाचो 7 पुराय शो यशस्वीपण रितीन करून संवसारीक विक्रम नोंद केल्या बद्दल तांचे अभिनंदन करता. फोंडें तालुक्यांतल्यान बांदोडे गांवचे श्री देवेश नायक हांकां गोंय राज्य जैवविविधता मंडळाचेर आणि गोंय राज्य जैवविविधता उमेदी पुरस्कार खातीर भोवमान केले खातीर तांचे अभिनंदन करता. नामनेचे पर्यावरणवादी श्री प्रसाद गावडे हांकां URL फाउंडेशन सामाजीक कृती पुरस्कार फावो जाल्ल्या खातीर तांचे अभिनंदन करता. रसायनशास्त्र आणि जैविक रसायनशास्त्राच्या उद्योगीक वावरांत उल्लेखनीय योगदान बद्दल डॉक्टर डोनाल्ड GP पिंटो हांकां अमेरिकेंतलो प्रतिश्ठीत यशा 47 ह्या वर्सुकी कॅरोथियर्स पुरस्कार सन्मानित केल्या बद्दल तांचे अभिनंदन करता. शेफ अविनाश मार्टीन उत्कृष्ट पाककलेचो वेवसायीक तांची गोंयकारा विशीं आपुलकी आणि शाश्वतीची वचनबद्धता हे तांचे वेगळेपण आसा देखून उद्योगाक तांकां एक स्थान फावो जाल्ले बद्दल तांचे अभिनंदन करता.
Shri Digambar Kamat for being selected as member.
श्री दिगंबर कामत हांकां
येस
Aquatic Bureau representing the continent.
Yes. Shri Digambar Kamat for being elected as the member of the World Aquatic Bureau representing content के म्हणून तांचे निवड जाल्ल्याबद्दल तांचे अभिनंदन करता.
स्पीकर सर, पूर्वा नाईक फ्रॉम हरवळे खेलो इंडियात गोल्ड मेडल मेळयल्याच्या भुरग्याकूय बी ताचे
अभिनंदन करता. अभिनंदनाचे प्रस्ताव येस
The serial number 9, Dr. Sriram Kamat Dakhankar for launching first AI assisted robotic knee and hip replacement surgery center.
ओके
Center केला आणि गोंयांत. आणि लास्ट ते शेफ अविनाश मार्टिन्स ताजे आमी मूव केल्ले कारण for winning top honors with an authentic Goan dish at the renowned Iron Chef Thailand versus Asia competition, bringing national attention to the rich culinary heritage of the state. हे changes माझे करून
अभिनयाचे थाराव तांच्या फॅमिली आमी धाडून दिता तांकां धाडून दिता तांच्या सगळ्यांचे आमी विधानसभेक अभिनंदन करता आणि तांचे थाराव सगळ्यांक मानून घेता. पेपर सिम्युलेट माननीय मुख्यमंत्री.
Sir, I lay on the table of the House the paper shown against my name in today's list of business.
Yes. Calling attention first, J. Tarulkar.
Get to
mention कर.
नाही पण आज ऑलरेडी 7 पहिली सोपोवपाक जाय.
Yes.
जाल्या आता
मेन्शन कर. लेट हिम मेन्शन कर मागीर जालें करूया. मेन्शन कर.
Yes, mention कर.
आज पहिला 6 to 7 केला टायमिंग हा.
मेन्शन करता.
Yes. J. Tarulkar mention कर.
ठीक मेन्शन कर.
Hi. The attention of the House is drawn on towards to the urgent need to position Goa not just as a tourist state but also as a beach sports tourist destination. Countries like Australia, Brazil and Thailand have successfully promoted beach sports like volleyball, surfing, beach cricket and kiteboarding to attract quality tourists and extend the tourist season. I urge the government to aggressively position Goa as a beach sport tourist destination by identifying beaches like Morji, Marambul, Kalangut, Kolwa and others, creating the best infrastructure and hosting national and international beach sports event.
Yes. सभागृहाचे कामकाज 2:30 पर्यंत स्थगित करता.